Alright, so we just went through the first wave, didn't last very long in the first area. We've fallen back to the second. My guys over here. Is that everybody here already? Yeah? Yeah. Nothing. Set our side coming this way. I don't know what they're doing. Come down this way. Oh shit, hit! That's what I get for not paying attention. Alright, we're on a third position now, we have to fall back. I saw somebody peel right in front of you, Victor. Sparky, right side. Gun hit. I just heard crazy. No, man.
I don't feel like the whole team is here. That's what I'm saying.
I don't think so either, man. We're a little short. Short controlled burst. Got one going right. Gun hit. Chris laying low on that pallet. Got two on the left side. Looks like Duke and Chris. Ah, shit. I'm hit.
Hey, crazy took him out earlier, but
did he?
They're marking. What did you do? But I ain't even seen him over there for the longest time.
There. I thought that was fucking me. They didn't shoot me, so I just decided to wait for them to cut me off and get behind.
They said they called clear. They called clear. That's their fault. They didn't check. This is it. Hold her or die. 4 against what, 9?
Hey, the 5 on 20 proved it can be done.
Yeah.
That's right.
man. It's alright. You got all the time in the world. You gotta see all the stuff that's going on behind you, but it's okay.
This is that guy in the pallet right behind you.
He's like, it's all good. Oh shit, here they come. Damn.
That would have been
Damn, that would
have been so nice.
That was cool.
That was.
5 minutes, guys. Come on, hold it for 5 minutes.